I have been in the world of digital photography for almost 20 years now, and in all these years, gear acquisition syndrome has sometimes taken over rationality, leading me to buy or sell equipment and then regret the choices I made. I think it has happened to everyone sooner or later, especially in today's world where it's very easy to buy online and find deals, but also to find someone to sell your own things to. So here's a brief list of the 5 things that I sold and then I regretted. The Fujifilm X-T30, it was a perfect little camera and I regret selling it because a second smaller body is always useful, and I really regret selling it also because the prices of the used market have increased since then. The Fujifilm XF27mm Mark 1. I sold it and then I bought it again. Then I sold it, but just to buy the Mark II. The Sony A7C. I should have kept it for sure with some small primes. Also to use it with vintage manual focus lenses, but too bad. The Fujifilm X70. I sold it the first time and then I bought it again a couple of years later. It's the perfect street camera, it's very pocketable, amazing colors, it's very slow in AF, but all things considered, I prefer it over the Ricoh GR, the Samyang 12mm f2 manual focus. I sold it to buy an autofocus wide-angle zoom and I regretted it because I prefer much more the smaller size of the 12mm. Even if it's not autofocus, I don't care.